Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 3 of my daily morning rituals that I do every day. Now, I'm not the average entrepreneur that has an elaborate morning routine with many different facets to it that takes a long time. And there's nothing wrong with that because I'd love to have that, but my schedule simply doesn't allow it right now. Now, as most of you know, I work as a full-time teacher. I'm also a part-time entrepreneur, and I have a family that I love spending time with every morning. So with that being said, my morning routine has to be very quick, concise, but very effective. So I do 3 simple things, and I'm not going to tell you about like brushing my teeth and washing my face, putting my glasses on, nothing like that. These 3 things for me allow me to get my day started in terms of getting a lot of stuff done, being productive, and outworking the competition. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Number 1 is coffee and breakfast. Now, as soon as I wake up, I start making my breakfast and I put on the coffee, okay? And I don't drink coffee for the energy in the morning because I wake up really pumped up, just like I am right now. I had my coffee like an hour and a half ago, and I'm still pumped up. So I drink coffee in the morning as sort of an indicator that my day has now started and I'm ready to begin, okay? So for me, coffee has the signification of, of telling me, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's what it tells me. So sure, do I get a little energy boost from coffee? Yeah, kind of, but I drink it as an indicator, okay? Not because, I can't wait to have my coffee. I love coffee, but it's more of an indicator for me, okay? And for breakfast, I vary my breakfast. Sometimes I'll have eggs with toast, eggs with oatmeal, French toast, pancakes. Sometimes I'll have a wrap with peanut butter and banana on it, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have to really improve my breakfast routine with regards to being more consistent. But right now, I just make sure that I have breakfast and coffee. And that to me tells me that I'm ready to start the day. Okay? Ritual number 2 is I plan my day as I'm eating my breakfast and drinking my coffee. So as soon as I'm finished preparing everything for breakfast, and then I plan my day. And I literally plan out like every spare 5 minutes of my day. And that's because I really want to work super productively and super effectively. So I plan out like every 5 minutes of my day, every moment, and I'll chunk it out. So if something takes half an hour, I'll break it down for half an hour. If something only takes 5 minutes, I'll only allow myself 5 minutes for it. And I plan out my day, and I'll also at the bottom of the page, I'll put 5 to 10 extra tasks that I can do. If I'm done those tasks in my plan early, I can work on these because I never want to sit there and think, well, what can I do next? I literally always want to be working so I can get through the tasks effectively. And that also allows me to sleep for 6 to 8 hours a night without feeling guilty, because for many years I only slept 4 to 5 hours a night, sometimes only 3 hours a night because I was working. And if I slept a full 6 to 8 hours, I would feel guilty because I wouldn't get as much done. But instead, I've learned to work super productively throughout the day so I can still sleep at night and enjoy my rest as well, okay? So planning allows me to do that. And number 3 is I pump myself up. I motivate myself. Now, I know spending like 5 minutes in the morning telling myself that I can accomplish anything, telling myself that I'm going to work hard, I'm going to outwork the competition, just getting myself pumped up, dedicating those 5 minutes will almost double my productivity for the next few hours. So for me, that's a good return on investment, and that's why I do it, okay? And those are literally just the 3 things that I pretty much do every morning. Sometimes I'll do extra stuff. Sometimes I'll add in things to my morning routine, but those are the 3 daily consistent morning habits that I do every single day, 7 days a week. It allows me to really be effective as a teacher, entrepreneur, and family member for my family. So that's all that I sort of wanted to say with regards to that. I just wanted to tell you my quick morning routine that I use. Once again, a lot of entrepreneurs have these elaborate morning routines. I would love to have that, but right now my schedule just simply doesn't allow it. So I use these 3 quick things. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your staples are in your morning routine in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.